Usisahau kusubscribe, kucomment, kulike na kushare ili kuwa wa kwanza kupata habari mbalimbali kutoka Dar24 Media.
So I don't want to talk about tactical matters. Firstly, we have won our fourth championship consecutively. It is very important for Simba to keep this trophy, but also now we want to end this season very well. We want to make our club very proud, very happy. It is why for tomorrow we are very motivated. To keep also this cup is very important. It could be the second time consecutively, and it is our target. Really, we want to finish this season very well. It was a very good season for the player, for the club. And now tomorrow, you know, it is one second trophy will be very nice to thank everybody in Simba. There is not pressure, you know. If you are under pressure, you cannot be coach. It's very important. What I know, we dominate the league completely. I think we have 9 points before next opponent. So we have done a very good championship. So maybe for sure we lose the first half, but every match is different. Every match is different, and tomorrow it will be another approach. But you know, I believe on my team. I know very well what we have done during the first match. We have done a wonderful second half, and like I say every time, we have to correct our beginning of the match. It's very important. So tomorrow I expect for my player to be very tough, very strong, very aggressive, very committed, and very disciplined as soon as the match will start. But I'm completely confident with my player. They want to offer this cup, this trophy to our fans, to our club. So I am in a very positive way. Yeah, of course. Like I say, every match is important. But you know, I think that Yanga could prefer our position and we win the league. It's the most important. You know, with a big domination. So we are completely positive, confident. And to reply to your question very well, I prefer to win the league. We analyze also the last match against Yanga, particularly the mistake we have done, but also the good thing we have done, because in this match there was a lot of good things. We play very well in the second half, so I don't want to talk about the referee who was there, but everybody saw what happened. It's very important to analyze the weakness and the strength of the opponent to adopt a good strategy. Well, you know, I don't care about the ground. We know very well how we have to play tomorrow. It's not a problem. I never complain about the ground, about the training condition. We are professional. We have to adapt our strategy. We have to adapt our training station. You know, but already before to see this ground, we knew very well the strategy for tomorrow. Now everybody is here. Everybody is here, very united. They work very well this week. One more time, it's important to me to say that I'm very proud of my player. We work tactically at Dar es Salaam before to come here, and you know, really we want to finish this season very well. It is not like a revenge. We have to focus on win this trophy. It's very important, and if we can get 2 trophies this year, for sure the season will be achieved very well. For sure. We know the ability of Morrison. He can kill one game by himself. You know, when he is on the ground, we have another face. So we have to make some choice. He has very good ability, and also when he is on the ground, we need to balance him. It's very important. But for sure, he will be with us tomorrow.
Kwanza kabisa tunashukuru uongozi wetu kwa kuweza kutufikisha hapa salama katika mji wa Kigoma. Nafikiri maandalizi yameendelea vizuri na sisi kama wachezaji tumejiandaa vizuri kuelekea katika game ya kesho. Nafikiri majukumu ya captain uwanjani, ukiachana na kocha ambaye yuko nje, majukumu ya pili ya captain ni kuongoza wenzake uwanjani. Kwa hiyo Boko asipokuepo, mimi napokuepo, na najitahidi kuongoza timu iweze kupata matokeo mazuri. Kwanza kwetu sisi wachezaji hauna pressure kabisa. Nafikiri pressure kubwa ipo kwa mashabiki. Sisi kama wachezaji tumejiandaa vizuri, na naamini maelekezo ambayo tumefuata kwa walimu wetu na viongozi wetu jinsi ambavyo wametuandaa, nafikiri tutaenda kufanya mchezo mzuri na tutaondoka na pointi 3 ambazo tutatufanya tunyanyue kombe. Taswira ambayo naleta kesho, tuna jukumu kubwa sana kwa viongozi wetu, kwa mashabiki na wanachama wa Simba, kwa sababu ukiangalia games zilizopita hatukufanya vizuri. Kwa hiyo kesho tuna jukumu kubwa sana, na naamini kufanya vizuri kesho ndio kutaleta taswira ya ukubwa wa Simba. Unapozungumzia swala la dabi, nafikiri zinakutana timu ambazo zinakuwa zinajuana. Kwa hiyo kuna aina yake ya uchezaji na kuna aina yake ya spirit katika hiyo game. Kwa hiyo sisi kama wachezaji, nafikiri kama nilivyosema awali kwamba viongozi wamaliza kazi yao, makocha wamaliza kazi yao, sisi kama wachezaji na jukumu ni moja tu, la kuhakikisha kwamba kesho tunaondoka na matokeo mazuri ya ushindi.
Usisahau kusubscribe, kucomment, kulike na kushare ili kuwa wa kwanza kupata habari mbalimbali kutoka Dar24 Media.